Stretching with a partner. Stretching with a partner fosters a sense of connection. The person being stretched communicates with the partner without speaking in order to surrender to the sensation of the movement and avoid exceeding their limits. They use the pressure of their hands to signal a little more, stop, back. Always use slow movements. The person leading the stretchers surrenders to feeling the other person's limits to avoid any risk of injury. We are Alain, Tello, Robledo, AtelTrainer.